If you're serious about precision cutting, durability, and power, then the Trade Professional 2000-watt sliding miter saw is a game changer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this miter saw delivers the accuracy and performance needed to tackle a wide range of projects. One of the biggest challenges in woodworking is dealing with dust, but with the miter saw, dust control is no longer an issue. This miter saw is equipped with a dust extraction port, allowing you to connect a vacuum for a cleaner workspace. Long working hours require a tool that's comfortable to use. The Trade Professional 2000-watt sliding miter saw features an ergonomic handle designed for a secure grip and easy operation. Versatility is key in any miter saw, and the miter saw delivers just that. With its 45-degree adjustable bevel in both directions, you can make precision cuts at various angles with ease. Whether you're working on crown molding, framing, or custom furniture, this miter saw does it all. A powerful saw needs a blade to match, and the miter saw comes equipped with a large 255mm cutting blade. This high-performance blade can handle deep cuts of up to 305mm in width and 70mm in depth, making it perfect for working with large materials. With its powerful 2000-watt motor, precision laser guide, and sliding function, the Trade Professional 2000-watt sliding miter saw is the ultimate cutting companion for any serious woodworker. If you're looking for a saw that delivers precision, power, and versatility, this is the tool for you. Elevate your craftsmanship with the Trade Professional miter saw, where every cut is a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. Visit forhome.co.za.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.